If you're experiencing top-up failures on your Monese account, follow the simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you identify common problems and find solutions. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause issues when trying to top up your account. Try switching to a different network or resetting your router if necessary. Step 2. Verify payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Escrow.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 3. Update the Monese app. Ensure that you are using the latest version of the Monese app. Outdated versions may have bugs or compatibility issues that can lead to top-up failures. Visit your app store to check for updates. Step 4. Review account limits. Check if you have reached any account limits set by Monese. There may be restrictions on the amount you can top up within a certain time frame. Review the terms and conditions or contact customer support for clarification. Step 5. Contact customer support. If you have tried the above steps and are still experiencing issues, reach out to Monese customer support. Provide them with details of your problem, and they will assist you in resolving the top-up failure. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any top-up failures on your Monese account. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support for further assistance.